Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the next lesson of your grade 9, that is logarithms. In short, we will call it logs also. But this will be new concept for you people this year. So where we use the logarithm that we need to see, that is applications of logarithms. If you come across this example, that is 12 upon 3, which is 4, which is quite easy, isn't it? But if you come across this kind of calculation, so don't you think it will be very difficult, isn't it, to go for this kind of division? Even this 12 fours are 48, it's again very easy, but when it comes to this kind of multiplications, again this will be a difficult task for us. So to calculate and complex calculations, we have the logarithms are nothing but there are so many numbers. We have one small book in that values are given, so with the help of that book you can go ahead with these values. Like suppose if you go for a simple example, suppose I want to calculate 48 upon 12. Okay, so 48 upon 12 is 4. We all know that is not an issue, but I want to just go for a simple example to make you understand where the logarithms are used actually. Now we have to apply the log first. So log of 48 upon 12. So this is quotient law. So it will be log of 48 minus log of 12. If you see, that's why we have done with indices first. Unless and until we don't complete the indices, you won't be able to apply the laws over here. So these are the laws of logarithm that we will see next. Now in your that small book which is provided to you, the values are given. So log of 48 comes 1.681 minus log of 12 1.079, that comes 0.608. Again in that same book, or you will be provided with the values, so we need to find out the anti-log of that. So it will be 0.608, which comes 4.055, which comes what? 4. Now you might be thinking, sir, the difficult task. It's not difficult task. See, this was a simple example, that's why it looks that it's very lengthy process. No, but if imagine if you come across this kind of calculations and you are not allowed to go for the calculators, don't you think this will be a proper method? So in short, that log table, that log book, that will provide you the values. From that values you have to just take the values and you have to go for the calculations. Okay, now we'll go for some introductory part or facts of these logarithms. What are the logarithms? Logarithms are used to make the long complicated calculations. Okay, now first of all we will understand what we mean by indices. We all know indices. 3 raised to 4 is what? 81. This is exponential form, bacho. This is which form? Exponential form. You can see 3 raised to 4 is 81, which is exponential form. Now I want to express this in terms of logarithmic form. So how I'll express and how I'll read this. So this will log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. Again I'm repeating. This exponential form is converted in terms of what? Logarithm form. So how to convert this? Log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. जो आंसर था वो log हो गया, जो यहाँ पे base था again the base of log and the power becomes answer. So log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. So how will you read this? Log of 81 to the base 3 is 4. Equal to is nothing but what? Is. I'll go for some applications. 5 raised to 2 we all know, which is 25. So this is exponential form. How will you express this in terms of logarithmic form? Log of 25 to the base 5 is equal to what? 2 is equal to 2. इतना ध्यान में रखो कि जो यहाँ पे पावर होती है वो आंसर बन जाता है. ठीक है, वैल्यू बन जाती है, उसकी सॉल्यूशन बन जाता है. 7 raised to 2 is what? 49. So this is exponential form. How will write this in logarithmic form? Log of 49 to the base 7 is equal to 2. ठीक है. Then one more example, 2 raised to 5 we all know 32. This is again exponential form, indices form में है. How I'll convert this in logarithmic form? Log of 32 to the base 2 is equal to what? 5. So this is indices exponential form. I have converted this in terms of what? Logarithmic form. इसका converse देखते हैं. If you are given with the logarithmic form, how to convert into exponential form? It's very simple. Log of 49 to the base 7 is equal to what? 2. कुछ नहीं, ये 7 यहाँ लेके जाओ. It will be the base. तो 7 raised to 2 is equal to 49. ठीक है. Next also same. यहाँ पे log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. So take this 5 over here. This 5 becomes base. So 5 raised to 3 is equal to what? 125. I hope you are getting this. Suppose this is 1000 and this base is given 10. So answer will be 3. So how will you write this? 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 is equal to what? 1000. This 10 will be the base of this 3. I hope so आपको clear हुआ how to convert logarithmic form into indices form or exponential form. There are certain applications of logarithmic. There are certain facts that we will see in next video. Thank you.